Hey everyone, welcome back to Page to Plate. Today we are highlighting Joshua McFadden's Brussels sprouts with pickled carrots, walnuts, cilantro, and citrus vinaigrette from his James Beard Award-winning cookbook, 6 Seasons. Josh grew up in Wisconsin farm country, finding the joys of farm fresh produce from a young age. Josh studied at Le Cordon Bleu in Portland, Oregon, and started working in well-renowned kitchens in California, Chicago, and New York. However, he recognized the magic of great food didn't start at restaurants, but at farms themselves. He managed a farm in Maine and discovered his passion for simple, in-season cooking. To start, make the citrus vinaigrette. Zest all the citrus into a bowl. Halve the fruit and squeeze the juice into the same bowl. Whisk in honey, vinegar, a teaspoon of salt, and pepper. Taste and adjust with more honey, vinegar, salt, and pepper if needed. Whisk in the olive oil a few drops at a time until the vinaigrette is emulsified and creamy. Set aside 1/4 cup for serving for later and store the remainder in the fridge for up to 2 weeks. Slice 1 bunch of green onions. Roughly chop the cilantro and parsley. Smash and peel the garlic. Trim off the ends of the Brussels sprouts. Remove the outer layers and cut in half. Heat a large skillet over medium heat. Add 1/4 cup of olive oil and the garlic. Toast the garlic so it's very soft, fragrant, and golden brown, which will be about 5 minutes. Once cooked, remove the garlic and set it aside. Increase the heat and add the Brussels sprouts to the pan, cut side down. Season with salt and pepper and cook until sprouts are tender all the way through. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Return the garlic to the pan, crushing it up and dispersing it among the sprouts. Once the sprouts are cooked, remove the pan from the heat and add the green onions, half the cilantro and parsley, half the nuts, pickled carrots, and dressing. Mix well to warm up the added ingredients. Spoon the vinaigrette over the sprouts and toss. Add additional salt and pepper if needed. Serve your Brussels sprouts in a dish. Before serving, garnish with the rest of the nuts, cilantro, and parsley and add more vinaigrette if needed. Enjoy this delicious in-season Brussels sprouts dish. The list of the ingredients for this recipe and a link to Joshua's cookbook are in the description below. Happy cooking, chefs!